This is a 1971 Chevy Corvette Stingray hardtop convertible with 83,000 miles. We have completely restored this. So during the restoration of this car, we put a Chevy 355 small block into it, completely rebuilt with a 4-bolt main. It has roller rockers with roller lifters, aluminum heads. It produces about 400 horsepower right now. A little bit else on the restoration of this car: factory AC with new compressor and condenser. We added power windows. Yes, it has power windows and switches. Power brakes with a new master cylinder, along with rebuilding of the calipers. New radiator and lines. Tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Custom-made side pipes with panels and heat shields. It has new leather seats, including the dash console. We wrapped the steering wheel with leather. LED taillights. It has new backing and servo for the headlights. Deluxe interior door panels. New gas tank and sending unit. New carpet. New paint. Brand new soft top for the convertible. Color matching hardtop. New tires. American racing wheels. One thing that you're going to find out about this is that all the gaps are actually set better now than from factory. The door hinges were removed and painted. All the new door rubber is brand new. New hook and loop fasteners were added to the door frame. This vehicle needs absolutely nothing. It is a one-of-a-kind. Now I'm going to show you the inside for a little bit. As I said before, new leather interior, new carpeting, leather wrapped steering wheel, door panels, power windows. All of the gauges work. Automatic transmission. 83,000 miles. Leather wrapped dash. So I think you get an idea. This thing is just nasty. The windshield washers work. If you need any more pictures, we've got a ton of them on our website, autoparadisetx.com. We've got a full build sheet on this thing. If you have any questions whatsoever, let us know. This is a one-of-a-kind show car. It will win Best of Show. Again, the soft top is brand new. It probably needs to be stretched a little bit, but it is brand new. And one more time for all you enthusiasts out there,